President John F. Kennedy gave his final State of the Union address on January 14th, 1963.
President Kennedy arrives to address a joint session of the House and Senate and report on the State of the Union. He is greeted by Vice President Johnson and Speaker McCormack before stepping to the podium to deliver his message. He proposes a tax cut that would reduce income taxes for the wage earner from 20 to 14%.
This net reduction in tax liabilities of $10 billion will increase the purchasing power of American families and business enterprises in every tax bracket, with the greatest increase going to our low-income consumers. It will, in addition, encourage the initiative and risk-taking on which our free enterprise system depends, induce more investment, production, and capacity use, help provide the 2 million new jobs we need every year, and reinforce the American principle of additional reward for additional effort.
What of the widening rift between Russia and China? He points to the disarray of the communist empires and the gross inefficiencies of their economies with this warning.
What comfort can we take from the increasing strains and tensions within the communist bloc? Here, hope must be tempered with caution. For the Soviet-Chinese disagreement is over means, not ends. A dispute over how to bury the West is no grounds for Western rejoicing. Nevertheless, while a strain is not a fracture, it is clear that the forces of diversity are at work inside the communist camp. Despite all the iron disciplines of regimentation and all the iron dogmatisms of ideology, Marx has proven wrong once again. For it is the closed communist societies, not the free and open societies, which carry within themselves the seeds of internal disintegration.
The president looks to the future with confidence and concludes with a challenge.
We are not lulled by the momentary calm of the sea or the somewhat clear skies above. We know the turbulence that lies below and the storms that are beyond the horizon this year. But now the winds have changed. They appear to be blowing more strongly than ever in the world of communism, as well as our own. For 175 years, we have sailed with those winds at our back and with the tides of human freedom in our favor. We steer our ship with hope, as Thomas Jefferson said, leaving fear astern.